If you still say very good or very bad, native speakers immediately know you're not fluent. In this video, I'll teach you 50 native English expressions that replace very and make your English sound natural instantly. Instead of saying very good, say excellent. Say ecstatic instead of very happy. Rather than very smart, use brilliant. Don't just say very funny, say hilarious. Replace very beautiful with gorgeous. Instead of very kind, say compassionate. Use fascinating instead of very interesting. Say ingenious instead of very clever. Replace very strong with powerful. Rather than very polite, say courteous. Instead of very bad, say terrible. Say furious instead of very angry. Replace very tired with exhausted. Don't say very scared, say terrified. Instead of very bored, use dull. Rather than very lazy, say idle. Say heartbroken instead of very sad. Replace very weak with frail. Instead of very expensive, say costly. Say challenging instead of very difficult. Rather than very small, say tiny. Say huge instead of very big. Replace very fast with rapid. Don't say very slow, say sluggish. Instead of very easy, say simple. Say scorching instead of very hot. Replace very cold with freezing. Instead of very bright, use radiant. Say pitch black instead of very dark. Rather than very quiet, say silent. Replace very nervous with anxious. Say assertive instead of very confident. Rather than very excited, say thrilled. Instead of very jealous, use envious. Say timid instead of very shy. Replace very brave with courageous. Instead of very worried, say concerned. Say pleased instead of very proud. Replace very lazy with idle. Instead of very frustrated, use annoyed. Say chaotic instead of very messy. Rather than very clean, use spotless. Replace very strong smell with pungent. Instead of very weak taste, say bland. Say relaxed instead of very easygoing. Rather than very confusing, say perplexing. Replace very strange with weird. Instead of very funny, use hilarious. Say gale instead of very strong wind. Rather than very important, say crucial. Now you have 50 powerful alternatives to very. Using these words makes your English sound fluent, natural, and confident.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.